In this video, I will show you how to create this glass effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, draw a polygon shape, increase the stroke size, and rotate the shape to 90 degrees. Pick the line tool and draw a line in the center of the polygon. Then, double-click on the Rotate tool, set the angle to 60 degrees, and click on Copy. Press Ctrl-D to make another copy. Now, select all and choose the Shape Builder tool from the toolbar. Merge like this. Convert stroke to fill, then open the Gradient panel and apply a gradient to all. Select the first gradient slider and set opacity to 0%, then select the last slider and set opacity to 20%. Now pick the Gradient tool from the toolbar and adjust each shape's gradient. Select one part of the polygon, go to Effect, choose Stylize, and then Inner Glow. Set the blend mode to Screen, color to white, opacity to 40%, and blur to 40px, then hit OK. Repeat the same process for the remaining parts of the polygon and drag it here. Now draw a perfect circle shape. Open the Gradient panel and choose a freeform gradient, then follow the process. Next, go to Effect, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Add a blur value and hit OK. Place it in the center of the polygon, select the polygon shape, right-click and choose Bring to Front, and there we go. We did it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.